Hi, I'm Steve Hirsch, owner and founder of Steam Pro. We've been in business for over 32 years now. I started with a pickup truck and a portable, and now we have an operation of over 25 trucks. What sets us apart from our competition are three main categories. Number one, we're totally green. Products that we're using for your children and your pets are 100% safe, plant-based products. Number two is we use the best equipment that you could possibly buy. It's platinum rated, which means there's no stronger, no better, no higher performing equipment than what we use. And number three, it's our people. We train our people, we put them through IICRC, which is our certification board, that makes sure that they know exactly what they're doing as they come in and they're treating your different surfaces. We respect your home. We take the precautions by putting booties on, quarter guards, and we want to make sure you come out with the best experience that you've ever had. It all starts with our equipment. We run 58 horsepower motors. They're ProChem Everest. There's no better equipment. What that does, it means higher heat where you're naturally sanitizing the carpet, higher suction power, so we're pulling more of the moisture out, and you're getting a deeper cleaning. From the top surface to the back end of the carpet, the trucks that we use make all the difference in the world. So our company is capable of cleaning any type of stone, whether it's a natural stone, a porcelain, a man-made product. We have the different products, we have the education to know how to treat your stone without damaging it. What separates us is really our drive to be the best in the industry. So we're always looking at the technology and the changing processes of cleaning to always keep on top and be the best that we can. Whether it's tile and grout, whether it's carpet cleaning, whether it's upholstery cleaning, whether it's your air duct cleaning system, you can trust Steam Pro to take care of all your cleaning needs and do it the right way.